We are pleased to show you the 2017 Santa Fe. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, premium sound system, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.